This is Nifty right at the VWAP, and this is Bank Nifty. Now, something interesting, all right, Bank Nifty has already gone above VWAP. So one thing that I always advise everyone who has been in touch with me is not to mess with the intraday trading guidelines. All right. So above VWAP is the bull zone. Always remember. Okay. So if you are above VWAP, you are in a bull zone. And if you are below VWAP, you are in a bear zone. Simple distinction. So all this is happening above VWAP, not a good idea to short, right? So Bank Nifty, not a good short. But when you come to Nifty, it did give a strong pullback, but it was in a bear zone. So if you had shorted here, that is 20,980, and now the market is trading at 20,953. So it made a low around 50. So that is 30 points on Nifty, and it might or might not go towards these poor lows, which we discussed earlier regarding these poor lows. All right. So, but still 30 points on Nifty for an intraday scalping trade is not a bad idea. All right. But Bank Nifty is above VWAP. I am not also buying. Why? Because we already see that the value area placement is lower. All right. And what about range extensions? Let me check that. I think we did not get any. That is the one thing that is not supporting. Trade facilitation is not supporting. But then what was the likelihood if it does not work out like that? Was we might continue to consolidate in this range. So that might happen. Now, let's say the weakness comes in the market and it goes lower below the VWAP. Should you short right now? No. You let the market pull back to VWAP or consolidate here and give no demand signals, and the VWAP starts sloping down. That is very important. If the VWAP stays flat, don't short. If the VWAP starts sloping down, yeah, now even if it does not go to VWAP, it creates a sideways consolidation. You can still short if you get these kind of no demand signals here. You can short below those bars, all right? But otherwise, it is better to avoid a trade than to get into a bad one. We have repaired those poor lows that we talked about, and consequently, we might be breaking below the low of this consolidation. Now, this is the HVN that we might be tagging. We probably have already done that, came very close to that. The next reference is this poor low, right? The HVN, maybe it was around 20,900, which we have come very close to. That is enough for me. Lower reference is at 20,800. So another 100 points. Whether it happens right now or maybe over a period of a couple of days, I am not really sure. But yeah, this was a excellent shorting opportunity. This is all intraday trading guidelines, guys. All right, nothing else. Nothing is added, nothing is removed. Simple intraday trading guidelines, and you can get these sorts of opportunities. All you have to do is be a little patient. All right, and if you're trading intraday, always remember that intraday trading is not everyday trading, right? It's not like it's not compulsory for you to take a trade always, right? It's not compulsory for you to take a trade always. Just because you believe that you are an intraday trader does not give you the permission to, just go on taking trades every day. You may or may not find it every day. And if you don't find it on a particular day, it's all right. Even though you call yourself an intraday trader. Make sense? So that is one thing that you need to have a very clear idea in your mind, that just because I call myself intraday trader does not give me permission to trade every single day. So let's say you prefer Bank Nifty and you come to Bank Nifty, and yesterday you got multiple opportunities to short. Like you got this opportunity. Maybe your stop loss was hit, but then again you could have shorted here, here, here. You could have gotten multiple shorts and made some money yesterday. Today you come, market goes back, you short here, stop loss is hit, and now you don't have an opportunity. And even if you don't have an opportunity, it is all right. So it's not compulsory that you will get an opportunity every day. One more thing that happens is today Nifty is behaving nicely, Bank Nifty not so much. If you are usually trading Bank Nifty, what you might do, you might come back to Nifty, and then Nifty does not behave properly and Bank Nifty does. So you have to be consistent. Okay, either you select Nifty or you select Bank Nifty and you stick with that and don't change it every now and then, right? Because if you keep changing it, then you won't be able to achieve consistency in your trading. So what you need to do is pick an index, pick a stock, stick with it. Don't think that you can scan 100 stocks and then come up with a list of five and then take positions on all five and make money consistently. It does not work like that. Many people have sold that idea. It's a diversification logic. Does not work. You have to focus on one index, one stock, whatever it is, and stick to it. Become the master at it, and then trade. Only that particular stock, and then you will be able to earn consistent income. The same is with strategies too. One day you come and you are trying to scan. The next day you come and you are trying to establish credit spreads. Then you watch a option buying video and you believe that okay, you can buy options and you can make money that way. Won't work. Won't work. Please trust me. All right. If you jump around with strategies, it is not going to help you at all. So what you need to do instead is to focus on one strategy, one type of strategy, one time frame, one market, one instrument, right? And then you will slowly start to become better at it. Once you become good at it, then you can diversify. So you become excellent at intraday trading, in taking trades, avoiding trades, and all those kinds of things, managing risk and everything. Then probably you can say that, okay, I can have a slightly longer term position running in the background and I will focus on my intraday trading. But if you try to do everything together, that is a recipe for disaster. Just a word on trade management, right? So let's say you take a short here, okay, on Nifty. Intraday trading guidelines, nothing complicated, very simple. What I have been suggesting from day one, that is the same thing that is happening here. You take a shot. Now where are you supposed to get out of your trade? Okay, so you also need to keep an eye on higher time frame references. So one, we talked about this, that is the point of control, right? 20,900. And as soon as you come there, right, you need to take out certain profit. Okay, so let me draw 20,900 here. What you do is, let's say you short here, okay? And I have suggested that if you're doing intraday trading, you have to do it with at least two lots. One lot limit buy order has to be set here. You have to get out of it without any question. And let's say you shorted here. Now one lot is at cost, okay? The stop loss. Earlier, let's say your stop loss was little higher. Now it is at cost. And you just hold on to it. It might go and it might hit it, right? So you might not make anything on the one lot and you make some profit on this lot. So that is how you have to trade. Now, even this is a higher time frame reference. I mean, it goes beyond the range. But this low, this poor low, that was the first reference, right? So I would not even wait till this. I would take my one lot out here as soon as it hits this. So I make some money. Okay, then I put my stop loss at cost. This is the next reference. So let's say you're trading with three lots. The next lot goes here. What is the next reference after that? The poor low. So market goes there. I take out one more lot. That is how you keep getting out of your positions. All right. That is the best way to trade. And if you are doing intraday trading, you have to do it with multiple lots. Otherwise, it just does not make any sense because I mean, it's not like you cannot make money one is to with a one lot. But then what happens, let's say you sell here. This is your primary target. So you put your stop loss here. You just buy one, sell one lot. Okay, one sell here. This is your stop loss. It hits your target. Now you basically cannot book any profits. So what you do, you move your stop loss to cost. Now you cannot lose any money. Maybe move a little lower, 1 or 2 rupees to cover for brokerage and other cost. And then, when it hits this lower reference, then you have a choice. Either you can move a little lower or you can move to this target whatever based on your plan, and then it goes and it hits your stop loss, at least you make this much money. Okay, if you move 50% of your entry and the first target, you make, if it goes and hits the stop loss, then fine, you make that much money. Or if it continues to go lower, again, you can make more money out of it. So that is how you can manage one lot. But usually it is suggested that you trade with at least two, so that you can book 50% profits and make your trade safe, and then you are not losing anymore. Okay, so that is how you can trade with even one lot, and suggested is to trade with at least two lots.